To the light show?
Yeah.
Just straight over.
Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
So am I the first one to come in through here in a motorcycle?
First one this year.
Welcome back to the channel. Fly&Ride here. So as you can see, it's pretty late in the evening, and I'm going to take you on a quick ride here at nighttime to a really awesome place near us. It's at the PNC Arts Center, and every year they do a Christmas lights show. It's called Magic something or other. I forget what the name of it is. Anyway, supposedly it's about 1.5 miles of just thousands and thousands of lights, and it's not too far from the house. So what I thought we would do is go on a quick ride. It's beautiful out. It's about 57 degrees, which is unseasonably warm, obviously, for New Jersey. I'm gonna put the GoPro on, the helmet. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking because I don't have the full face helmet on. So I'm gonna show you the ride there. And then I'm hoping that I can show you the full light show from the motorcycle. I don't even know if I can even go in with the motorcycle, so you're going to want to stay tuned to check it out and see the light show here with us. So, but before I do, if you're new to the channel, I'm Fly&Ride, and on this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, cinematic drone footage, flying my DJI MAVIC 2 drone, and riding my 2020 Street Glide CVO Sand Dune that you see right here. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as the channel continues to grow. Remember to hit that like button. It really does help out the channel. And remember to hit that little bell notification so you can be reminded when I update new content like this one. Alright, so I'm going to take you with me on this exploration here. Again, it's going to be nighttime, so the GoPro footage is probably not going to be the best. And hopefully when we get there, we can get in, we can see how awesome these lights look, and then give you 360 views, and then my front Hero 9 view on my half helmet, so you can see the cockpit as well as the lights that we're going to see when we get to the light show. So enjoy!
Show?
Yeah.
Just straight over.
Straight over?
Yeah, you just keep going straight, man,
okay.
And you'll run into it.
Alright, cool. Thanks, man. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
So am I the first one to come in through here in a motorcycle?
First one this year.
Alright, okay.
Okay, you're set to go.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Not only green.
cool is that? Hopefully you like this video. That's gonna do it for today. Highly recommend checking out that light show at the PNC Arts Center in New Jersey. Do me a favor, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Also, we're gonna hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you as the channel continues to grow. And remember to hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content. Thanks for watching.